Yeah, I am excited. I'm really excited. Yeah, I broke my ankle like 3 weeks into the season, so I didn't get to really play and experience the whole volleyball season, but I was always there. I love like the small like college atmosphere in Madison, which is a big city. So, well, everyone's like there, like no matter where you go. Like Sun Prairie was a huge high school, and not everyone like knew who you were. I didn't know who everyone was, but I feel like here everyone knows like maybe who everyone is, even though if they're not really good friends.